Hi, Gabriel and Stanislas here from Space.com, and today we are going to present you a 5-minute video on the analysis of a TED video called Your Kid Might Live on Mars. Here how they survive. First, I'll let Stanislas introduce the video.
The video is a speech by Stephen Petranek. He's a famous writer for his book How We Will Live on Mars. So in my opinion, Stephen is legitimate to talk about this topic. First of all, many people think that this video is scary, and I can understand them. Indeed, at the beginning of this speech, Petranek exposes the difficulties to go to Mars, which seems insurmountable. Indeed, he says that Mars is very far away, more than 1,000 times farther than our own moon, and that this launch is only possible when the two planets are at the precise disposition, that is, one day every 2 years. And above all, Petranek states that out of 44 rockets sent to Mars, only 15 rockets arrived. That is only 1/3 of the rockets initially sent to this planet. And that's not all, because he claims that we don't have a rocket big enough to go there. But this video isn't just scary, as far as I'm concerned. I think this video is more inspiring than scary. Petranek gave us a lot of the elements that make this trip possible. He says that we will be on Mars in 2027, while NASA says that they could land on Mars in 2040. According to me, and according to the recent events, I think that we will be able to arrive on Mars in 2032. After these estimates, Petranek wanted to introduce Elon Musk and show his achievements. He ends by presenting us the means to survive on Mars, and he raises that Mars had liquid water and currently has water in a liquid state. It is therefore a great advance for our survival on the red planet. All that is missing is oxygen, food, and clothing adapted to the climate. He ends the video by presenting so many solutions to live on Mars that it seems almost too easy. He even talks about putting hotels, bars, restaurants, and even TV shows. All this is inspiring for the future generation that is looking for new ways to survive on the planet. But according to me, this video is a bit too optimistic. Indeed, the reality is harder than that. Although it presents concrete examples that already exist to survive, it is not that simple.
Thank you very much, Stanislas. Let me explain for you. First of all, he said that an asteroid could strike the Earth and extinct all life on the blue planet. But if an asteroid of this side were to hit the Earth, Mars will also be impacted by debris, but also by a major rise in temperature. Now, at the moral point of view, this colony will be much debated. In fact, who will be sent to Mars and why? The rich countries, the poor countries, or those who participate in the project? We don't know, and this is a very difficult question to answer. Finally, from my point of view, this video is preventive. It helps us to understand how unique and beautiful the Earth is. I can really say that this video really made me appreciate the Earth. I have always loved our big blue planet, but this video really made me realize how much this means to me. I think if a colony were to develop on Mars in my lifetime, I would stay where I am, because Earth is a place that no planet can replace. Also, our ancestors have been on this planet since the creation, which has created a real link between our species and the blue planet. Finally, I think it would be better to save our planet with all the money, the $1,000, the million, and the $1 billion from the space conquest. Personally, I will not live underground for the rest of my life. I prefer stay, see the sunshine, the sunrise, and everything else from nature. We will never be the last of our species, but we should stay on Earth and protect it. Thank you for watching the video. You can also visit our website space.com, where you can see some other podcasts and other videos. It was Gabriel and Stanislas here. See you next time.